Hello there, my friends. Whenever a brand new system is officially launched and released, it almost always comes packed with some interesting new features. So in this particular lesson, we are going to get to know some of the key features of the new System 26. So before we move on to the explanation, if this is your first time watching, don't forget to support me by clicking the subscribe and follow buttons, liking and sharing this video with your friends and family. And among the many interesting features available for this demonstration, we will be exploring one particular feature in more detail. When you proceed to open any photo, you will be able to find a special option or an icon located right in this spot highlighted in a vibrant green color. You just need to click on it. Almost immediately, as soon as you click on this very icon, the photograph will then transform and turn into a fully immersive 3D image. You will be able to notice this for yourself once you have reached this particular point. Also, please don't forget to check out this playlist, which contains some very helpful iPhone tutorials. In it, you will find some important guides that we're sure you will like and definitely benefit from. Goodbye, my friends.